Let's take a look. What's up? It's Kendall and Mimi, and today we are trying out glow-in-the-dark slime. We have two different glow-in-the-dark glues that we're trying. We have a green and a pink. This was more of actually like a salmon type color, but
yeah, they're both Elmers. So I'm gonna see if they make slime or if they if they glow when the slime is made.
Yeah.
And now Elmer's is like promoting slime, so it says new, great for slime.
woo!
On the bottle. So let's see if it actually is great for slime.
So we're using the whole bottle?
The whole bottle.
Alrighty.
All right, let's do this.
So I'm making the pinkish salmonish.
I'm making the green yellow color. And if you guys don't know, we're soon going to be starting to
Give shout outs to everyone.
at random points in the video. So for our recent videos, you guys should like.
Yes.
Just
and make sure you also comment down below so you guys get a shout out. You can comment down below anything nice, something funny, like a joke or something,
a video idea, or just like anything that like could make us like see the comment and smile and be like, oh, you get a shout out. So
Yeah.
we'll do a couple every video.
We'll give you,
Starting very soon.
and it'll be like in the middle of the video somewhere. So it won't be like right at the end, it won't be right at the beginning, it'll just be like somewhere.
random. This is really hard. So it's like glitter glue. It's like hard to get out like
It's really thick. Super thick.
even more thicker than that, honestly.
Alright, do you think this is good?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, I'll get as much out as I can. So guys, just make sure you're commenting down below different video ideas that you want us to do, because we need them.
Yep, we're running out of ideas, and you guys have great, amazing, awesome ideas. So we want to know them. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and activate these slimes because we don't want to like mess with them any kind of way.
And please excuse my hands.
We just filmed another video. It's probably gonna be out before this one
Yeah.
or after. I don't know.
No idea, but if you see me with purple hands, ta-da.
But we're filming ahead because we have vacation. So
Yes, summer.
yeah.
Comment
Summer
down below if
vacations.
you guys are on summer vacation. Yeah, summer vacation. What's purple? What character is purple? Barney?
Barney's purple.
Barney. I'm trying to think.
Is Dumbo's purple, right?
Stop it. Get some help.
No. He's gray.
Oh, he's gray.
He's a flying
Wait,
elephant.
what's the other elephant name in Disney?
Figment. I'm Figment.
Figment. Yeah, Figment is.
Comment down below if you guys know Figment, and if you do hashtag Figment. Figment? Figment, because my hands look like Figment.
Alright, I need a little bit more.
I'm like really cautious that I'm not over-activating because I hope this turns out good.
Yeah, same. I hope that we don't have to like. Yeah. Whatever we like whatever slimes we make and we don't like, we just put it in the slime smoothie. You guys should go check out that video.
Yeah, we made a small slime smoothie and added it into a giant slime smoothie. Alright, anyway, stay for it.
And if you want us to do another slime smoothie, just make sure you comment down below so we know to save all the slimes that we made. What?
I got some blue in there on my hands.
This is making my arm tired. And also, going back to Disney, we have a Sugar Up at Disney.
Yes.
So you guys should watch that. I really enjoyed making that video.
That was really cool.
It was super yummy, the treats.
Yes. We went to Epcot and Animal Kingdom, so you guys should really go check that out.
And then also Disney Springs.
Yeah. I call it Downtown Disney still.
Yeah, Disney Springs, Downtown Disney, same thing.
Downtown Disney at heart.
Downtown Disney at home. I'm like getting used to say Disney Springs now.
I don't know.
Alright. Oh, I think my slime's just about done.
I refuse to say it.
Oh, this feels so nice. Oh, I haven't really made like a clear, because this is like the same as like clear slime, except just glow in the dark. I haven't made just a clear slime for a while, actually.
So I think I'm gonna color my slime with my hands.
Oh no. It's fine. At least it's not like
I'm afraid it's gonna turn matte, not glow in the dark.
Oh, yeah. I don't think it will just your hands. Like it's not like you're actually adding in paint or something. Dun 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 dun! Whoa!
Whoa! We're good.
Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Oh my god, I love the feeling.
I love this. Because like the glitter in it just has that, and when you stretch it, it just has that texture. I love this.
I love this slime. I'm not throwing this away.
I'm not.
Never. Oh, you guys should
And
totally
it's not sticky. It's like.
It's not like, I don't know, it's like different than clear glue, but like.
Oh, now my hands are turning more pink. Oh guys, and this is not sponsored by Elmer's, because it sounds like it kind of is. Oh, hi Zach. He's on our feet. Because we're kind of like, oh, it's so cool, you guys should. It's like by Elmer's. It's not sponsored.
It's not sponsored.
But if Elmer's, you want to sponsor us,
Like,
you
you
can,
can,
you know?
like, you know, like, that's more glue for us. Wow.
Oh my gosh, I love this actually.
Oh my god, I love this slime.
Alright, I think it's time to see if these are actually glow in the dark.
Whoa!
Oh no! Oh no!
What?
I got it a little bit on my shirt.
You got it on my shirt. Did you get it on my hair?
It's okay, we'll get on your shirt.
But look how cool this looks.
It looks like they're actually like LED lights.
Yeah, and look at
Mine looks like it's not that good on camera, but in real life, it's pretty cool.
wow.
Well, you can even see it there.
This is so cool, guys. You guys totally should try this.
Yeah, you guys can't really see mine.
This is so cool. I love the texture. Absolutely love.
Wait, do you want to switch?
Okay, sure. Wow. Oh. There you go. Wow, yours is like orange.
Yeah. You guys can't really see it well on the camera, like I said, but like they look like they're LEDs almost. Like
on the camera.
I think the problem why that one's not glowing that much is because my hands, like all the dye went off on it. So.
It's so nice though. Oh, slime.
Oh.
Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Make sure you smash that subscribe button.
Ring that bell.
Touch that like button with your glow in the dark slime.
And until our next video,
Bye bye. Love you guys. Glow in the dark slime.